Okay. Admin replied to our ticket saying that when silent plant is on, you can still hear the buttons being pressed. So I'm just going to prove that that's wrong. So I put my mode of GB variant on, and as you can see, silent plant is enabled. So now I'll start the game and show you that when my teammate plants, I can't hear him planting. As apparently the admin said that you can still hear him, which is incorrect. Okay, Mock, grab the bomb and come B side. So gonna choose attacking so that we have the bomb. And I have a teammate with me to prove it. So I'll make my way over to the B bomb. Okay, go ahead and plant. As you can see, you can't hear him pressing the buttons. And he's just planted the bomb. So I'll upload this and hopefully a different admin will take a look.